Introducing the EasyPro Bottom Drain with Air Diffuser. Built with high-grade corrosion-resistant materials for long-lasting durability and optimal efficiency in water circulation and debris removal. Keep your pond cleaner and healthier with the EasyPro Bottom Drain with Air Diffuser. Designed for superior water circulation, efficiently removes debris while encouraging water movement. This is 3-inch unit with 2-inch fittings for EasyPro Pro Series or Axiom skimmers. It's easy to assemble at home. The 10-inch rubber air diffuser boosts oxygen levels, creating a thriving environment for fish and plants. Say goodbye to stagnant water and buildup. This drain will contribute to clearer water. Upgrade your pond with the EasyPro Bottom Drain. Available now. This purchase includes a drain cover, an air diffuser, an air connection, durable rubber gaskets for a watertight seal, top and bottom flanges for secure installation, and flathead stainless steel bolts to hold everything firmly in place. This drain is also available in a kit, BDK2A, with 2-inch fittings to easily connect to EasyPro Pro Series or Axiom skimmers. You'll love this bottom drain.